Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start our third chapter, that is about the periodic table and the structure of an atom. In this chapter we are going to read about the structure of an atom. Different scientists suggest that an atom currently is believed on that an atom is made up of a densely nucleus that is present inside the atom and that is positively charged, and these are the electrons that are negatively charged and whiz around the atom. In nucleus consists of a neutral neutron and positively charged proton. So mark the first blank. Scientists currently believe that an atom consists of a dense dash surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons, nucleus. On page number 33, dear students, there are some scientists who arranged the atomic models about the atom. The first is John Dalton. It was the first scientist who worked out everything was made of atom. Dalton had the idea that everything is made of particles and he called these particles as an atom. So, through different atoms had different weights and did experiments to prove it. The next is Joseph John Thomas. Had an idea that every particle is very smaller than atom, and using a cathode rays, Thomas discovered that everything is made up of subatomic particles, that is electrons, and in this atomic model, the space in the atom is made up of positively charged material and these electrons are scattered into this positively charged material. The next model is by Ernest Rutherford. It is a huge model and many scientists suggest that it is a perfect model about the atom. Rutherford performed an experiment. Rutherford fired a beam of a positively charged particles against a gold thin film. When these particles or charged particles, positively charged particles, move around these gold film, some positively particles can only be repelled. So Rutherford decided that there must be a positive bit in the center of the atom, that is nucleus, and different electrons are moved around the atom. So the atomic model of Rutherford that had a teeny positive charged nucleus with electrons whiz around in the space. Students, here blank number 2. Dash was the first scientist, John Dalton. Blank number 3. Thomas discovered the existence of a dash particle subatomic. Fourth, Rutherford decided that there must be a positive bit in the center of dash atom. The next is Niels Bohr. After the discovery of Rutherford atomic model, Niels Bohr suggests that the electrons are present outside the nucleus in high speed in a fixed orbits. Some test yourself questions on page number 34 and the answers are: 34. What do scientists currently believe an atom consists of? An atom consists of a dense nucleus surrounded by a cloud of negatively charged electrons. Second question, what gave Dalton the idea that everything is made of atom? Dalton gave the idea that everything is made of particles and he called these particles atom. What are subatomic particles? Electrons are subatomic particles. Fourth question, describe Thomas' atomic model. The space in an atom is made of positively charged material with lots of teeny negatively charged electrons scattered through it. Fifth question, describe what happens and prove it that. He proved that in the atom there had a teeny positively charged nucleus with electrons whiz around in a space around it. Dear students, on page number 34, next topic is chemical symbols. A chemical symbol can be capitalized and each element is shown by its chemical symbol. For example, carbon capitalized by the C, same as iron, Fe, derived from a Latin word ferrum. So magnesium, Mg, and zinc, Zn are the chemical symbols of these elements. Atomic number. Students, this atomic number is the number of protons in an atom, is called atomic number. And dear students, each element have different number of protons. Element contain neutral atoms, so protons are positively charged and electrons are negatively charged. For example, carbon have 6 protons, so its atomic number is 6. Atomic mass, mass number. Protons and neutrons have approximately same, so it is called as a mass number. In this equation you can see that mass number is equal to number of protons and number of electrons. Protons are present inside the nucleus and electrons whiz around the nucleus. So here 12 mass number, for example 6 protons and also 6 electrons, because they have same amount of number of protons and electrons. Now page number 35. Arrangement of electrons. Students, in this figure you can see that Rutherford worked out a theoretical model for the atom in which electrons are arranged in a layer around the nucleus. You can see that all electrons are present in an orbit. For example, first shell contain 2 electrons, second shell contain 8 electrons, and third shell contain only 18 electrons. The electrons build up from the first shell and then filling all the shells in the atom. In this table you can see that elements, their symbols, atomic number of electrons, first shell electrons, second shell, and these are the atomic models. Now test yourself questions, and the answers are: number 35, first question, name the 3 teeny particles which make up atom: protons, neutrons, and electron. Positively charged neutron, no charge electron, negative charge. What does a nucleus contain? Proton and neutrons. Third question, A part, where are electrons found in an atom? Outside the nucleus, whiz around the atom. B part, why electrons take up most of the atom's space? Because electrons are arranged in layers or shells around the nucleus. Fourth question, why scientists use chemical symbols? Because it is an easiest way to represent an element. Fifth question, explain these terms: atomic number, the number of protons in an atom; mass number, the number of protons and electrons.